Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, the NET SDK and VSCode with the C# extension. Once installed, open your project folder in VSCode and use the integrated terminal so tools share context. Run .NET New Console and My App to scaffold a minimal app. This generates a project file and program. CS so you can compile. Make sure to restore packages with .NET Restore if prompted, because that ensures dependencies are resolved before you build and run. Once the scaffold exists, you inspect the csproj and program. CS to understand entry points and dependencies, because knowing structure saves time later. Configure debugging by creating launch. JSON and tasks. JSON via the command palette. This ties VS Code's debugger to .NET Build and run tasks. Edit code, then run .NET Build to catch compile errors early, fix them, and run .NET Run to verify behavior. Make sure to add NuGet packages with .NET Add package. You finish by cleaning up and preparing for deployment. Add. Git ignore entries for bin and obj, commit source and project files, then publish with .NET Publish C release when ready. If something breaks, check the SDK version with .NET Info and ensure it matches your project's target framework. Mismatches cause build failures. Also open the OmniSharp or C# extension, logs in VS Code to diagnose language service issues. Restart the extension if needed and rebuild to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.